How to write the English alphabet in an easy way.
Letter T. Uppercase T. Across at the top. Hold down. Lowercase t. Hold down. And across. Fantastic work! T is for turtle. Tractor. Tomato. Tiger. Train. Let's move on to the next letter. The letter U. Uppercase U. Pull down, around, and pull up. Lowercase u. Pull down, around, up. And pull down. Well done! U is for umbrella. Unicorn. Ukulele. Utensils. Unicycle. Okay, let's move on to the next letter. The letter V. Uppercase V. From the top, slant down. And slant up. Lowercase v. Slant down in. And slant up out. Very good. V is for vulture. Violin. Vase. Vacuum. Van. The next letter is the letter W. Uppercase W. Slant down. Slant up. Slant down again. And slant up. Lowercase w. Slant down in. Slant up. Slant down. And slant up out. Remarkable. W is for whale. Wheel. Walrus. Worm. Watermelon.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.